Hello, my name is Janet Blanco Ortega. Task 7. Reading. I, motion, are stake, are feelings, that are effort. Intense last for. Only I'm sure. Tie and are curling. Directed. Up are cuts by some, what are some. Circumstancing. Perceptive I motion. Includes joy, pride release, laugh, and can pay for John. We must share past Vincent and joy too, and ours. By always trying to be positive and cheerful, negative. I motion include anger and anxiety, fear, shame, sadness, envy, and disgust. Cat, bat. White, wax. Right, road. Kike, Nike. Take, stick. Couch, cat. Pig, bean. Tool, pule. Teach, peach. They, pay. Dick, pick. Deal, peel. Dog, bug. Dake, bake. Toll, cold. Tool, cool. Take, cake. Much, coach. Chong, gone. Tie, guy. Tap, gap. Tool, ghoul. Tag, gag. Table, gable. Ten, femme. Ter, fair. Tang, fan. Dick, big. Statement with one stress. She works. We lunch. It stop. Statement with two stress. Tom is reading. Mine is sleeping. The car stopped. The weather had changed. Statement with three stress. Children like to play. The boy is reading a book. The weather is going to change. Statement with 4 strengths. She wants to buy a new car. He wrote the letters very quickly. The teacher taught her student a story. Staying with fine stress. Alex wrote the letters very quickly. Victor is going to London next month. Tangent is reading the book you brought yesterday. A special question. Fully intonation. What is your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? Where do you live? What is your name? Where do you live? What did she say? Where have you been? Have you read this book? Have you heard the news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? May I speak to she, please? Could I speak to Michael, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Well, you come back and find her at 6. Does she read book in the morning or night? Well, you try to do it today or tomorrow. You done. Can then do you? They have not. Fun in hot day. You were late, were you? And should not do it, should I? Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Do it yourself. Ask him for help. Close the window, please. Tell me your name, please. Ask him to call my please. It's good to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I'm so happy. Can you help me? Lena, are you 3? Tony, where are you? I bought bread, cheese, and tomatoes. We need paper, pens, and pencil. I came. She is. He were. You should. I cannot. He did not.